Welcome back to the 5th episode of this project, a chronological Frankenstein, but we have a first start attempt. Will it work? Watch until the end and find out. Alright, so we're getting close to finish with a bike. As you can see here, I painted the steering wheel since it wasn't the prettiest, but I forgot to film this one. Sorry about that. Bracket in the back, it was just a little bit rusty, had to take care of that. 2 handlebar clamps, got a new layer of paint. I could have left them like they were, but I thought let's match these handlebars. As you've probably seen in a previous video, I've polished the front fender, give it some ceramic coating. Wheel is polished, looks quite decent. You can compare it to the one in back. Nasty. Gave it a little bit of paint right here. It was signs to some surface rust. Didn't look too good. We got some new bowl, which looks really good. I like it a lot. This plate right here, I'll give that some paint one day. I need some new blinkers. Still haven't ordered that one. Okay, so my handlebars are painted. I've installed the brake and clutch levers, and the next is controls. And I'm not sure if you can see it very well on the camera, but they're like really, you know, oxidated plastic. They're kind of like hairy. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. And you can see it's stained and it's just not looking good. The markings are all, you know, wrong. They're supposed to be up here. You can barely see them. So I have a plan. I'm not sure if it's going to work. I'm going to use some light abrasive pad to just buff it down to get all these plastic hairs off. And then I'm going to coat it with ceramic plastic coating from Gion. Wish me luck. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but my second plan is just to paint them. Alright, let's see what we can do with some ceramic coating. Alright, so all my connections are connected and everything is tie wrapped up and all good to go. Next thing is putting the tank on and, well, see if it looks.
Jävla fina komponenter den här. Perfect. Hänggas på. Det är så ett stips för exosen.
Fan så dejligt. Oh, that's nice!
Det var kul. Mycket jobb att spara det.
It's alive! A small chronological disaster this time, but next episode will be back on track. There will be seat upholstery if you liked it. please give a like, and if you want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.